Look, it's beautiful, it's true. Yes. Is this a hit or is it a miss? Look, look, look. I cover the poster. I cover the poster. So it will be a plain as day. Look. And then this is the table. Okay, I'm not yet done. Not yet done. Not yet done. But this is, I have some blue candles. So it's all in blue. It's all for the blue. I'm not yet done. Yeah, I decorate these vases. I had gold, but I decided to get some silver strip, put it around the vase. So there it is. There it is. There it is. Hey, there it is. So still got work to do, but hey, still got a little work to do. Let me show you it from afar. Magnificent. First I'm doing this.